Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add pages in Adobe InDesign. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I have opened InDesign. Let's say you want to create some pages. The first thing you need to do is click on New File. Here, you can select a page template from many different sections. In my case, I will choose an A4 page. If you want to create a design with a custom page size, you can set the width and the height of your document here. You just need to select the unit of your choice, then enter the measurements. Now, go down to the Pages option right here, and we can actually choose how many pages we would like. So let's say we want 5 pages. If you want your page setup as default, you can simply click on Create. But if you want to have a primary text frame already present on the page, then check this option and click on Create. If I double-click on the page now, you can see that we already have a text frame, so we don't need to use the Type tool to make one. If you scroll down, you will see that we have 5 pages, just like we wanted. Now, you can also edit this later. Go to the Pages tab. If you don't have the Pages tab, you can find it by going to Window and then Pages. The keyboard shortcut for that is F12. Here, we can see that the first page is single and the others are facing pages. Facing pages means there will be these spreads right here, just like in a book or a magazine, for example. Now, let's say we want to add more pages to this document. We don't have to go back and create a new document to add more pages. We can actually do it directly from the Pages panel. In here, you can see these pages right here, and if you drag one of them down and let go, we have now created a new page. We can also do this by clicking on this plus icon. Clicking on it one time will add one single page, and clicking again will follow the book-like format. If we don't want this book-like format, which is called facing pages, we can always turn it off so we only get single pages instead. To do that, go up to File and choose Document Setup. Now, just turn off facing pages right here and click OK. Now, the pages are in a single page format. The steps to add pages are the same in this format as well. You can drag a new page down or click on this plus icon. So yeah, that's actually how to create pages in InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.